David, how you feeling, man?
I'm good.
Bro, it is 6:23 in the morning, and we are here at King's Dominion to take on the world's tallest and fastest B&M launch coaster. We're going to report the experience for you. Come on, y'all, let's go check it out.
I'm social media corporate for the East.
Really?
So I lead the social media team of my 6 area managers. It's a great escape.
Okay.
Through Fiesta, Texas.
Nice.
I love what you all do. Appreciate
It's
it.
me, Patrick.
Hello.
Patrick. So Patrick met us one time at Six Flags over Georgia, so
It was great.
was
Y'all
great.
had so much energy.
we
Love
did.
it.
We
appreciate
did.
you.
We thank you for everything that you do.
100%.
So you be getting
Thank
all
you all.
You be getting all my
Appreciate it.
tags on Instagram and stuff.
We see
Yeah,
it.
he see my tags. I got tagged.
We love every second of it. Nice to meet you guys.
Heard all about this man.
Say that again.
I have heard all about this man.
Really?
I'm so excited to meet you.
It's so excited to meet you, the PR director.
There you go.
King's Dominion. Man, hey, thank you for having us.
We are so thrilled you're here, and we hope you love Rapterra.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to open this coaster to the public. Oh my God.
All right.
This is
Well, we got to get
really
you up
blessed.
there, strapped in, ready to ride.
Well, let's get it.
All right,
get
let's
it.
go.
Let's do it. Come on. Okay, Rapterra, Media Day. We're about to be the first riders, Rapterra. Media Day. We're walking through the queue line. Come on, Jamie.
All right. Yeah, and some of the rubble down there is left.
This is
over
beautiful.
from
Look at the thing. It looks like a jungle back here. Get some of this B-roll, man.
Yeah, we made a lot of nods. There's a few other nods.
About to fly in the jungle. About to fly in the jungle. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Let's go, Jamie.
Caldera on the base. Coming base.
Hey, Jamie, look at that inversion up there. You see that?
Yep.
Our suggestion is to continue observation, Caldera 1. I'll inform Dr. Leal of the readings. I don't think you're grasping how volatile.
Is that Elizabeth?
Richter scale
Hey, what's up, Elizabeth? Hey!
possible escalation.
Huh?
Hold steady until we get
Okay,
further
thank
instructions
you.
from Dr. Leal.
No, I'm finna do my own ride now. Not clear, come on.
All right. Hey guys, it's me, Quell, and we're here to ride Rapterra today. I'm so excited.
Let's go, let's get it. Got the lava right here. The theming is top notch. Lava. We're in the jungle. They got lava. Look. Hey, what's going on, MCN family? This is your boy JD. We are here witnessing one of the first launches for the MCN Media Day. Check it out. Launching from 0 to 65 miles in less than 4 seconds. Riders will be lifted up to 145 feet in the air. Versions, come with us as we check out the all-new attraction here at King's Dominion.
Welcome back, explorers. Once you reach the station, your vehicle has come to a rolling complete stop. Please unfasten your safety belt and push up on your shoulder buttons. After stepping down safely from your seat, proceed to the right of the station where you will find the exit pathway.
What's up?
Man, I'm here with Zuda Loopers, man.
I'm here with Pride.
Man, where we at?
We're here at Rapterra, King's Dominion.
Rapterra, King's Dominion finna debut the all-new launch wing coaster. The tallest, the fastest, the highest, the biggest, the
It's crazy.
fat,
The greenest.
The greenest. The longest coaster in the world.
All of the above.
All of the above. It's good to see you.
My boy.
How's it going?
It's doing good, man.
4, 3.
Hey guys, it's ready to take on Rapterra again, and I get to do this for the first time with CEO.
Absolutely. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Brian. I'm the founder and CEO of Melon Coast Network. Today we at Kings Themimg finna take on the all-new Rapterra, the fastest, the longest, the tallest, the greenest.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. We're ready to take on Rapterra again, and I get to do this for the first time with CEO Prime.
Absolutely. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melon Coast Network. Today we at Kings Themimg finna take on the all-new Rapterra, the fastest, the longest, the tallest, the greenest roller coaster in the world, launch wing coaster in the world.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my God.
Here we go.
It's about to go down. Oh, oh my God. Oh, it's so good. I can see Virginia. I can see Virginia. Oh, what is this? I'm flying, baby. Oh my God. Oh, the ground. I'm flying.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, oh, what was that? Oh my God. It's so good. It's amazing. Oh, I can fly now, Gwen. I can fly. Oh, it's so good. We're in the jungle. We're flying through the jungle. I can see the volcano. I can see the fall. Oh, that's the roll. The rolls are so delicious. Oh, oh. That was so good.
That was
So good.
amazing.
Amazing.
It was
Hey.
so smooth. Oh my God.
Oh my God, hey, that last roll was so delicious. I wish we can eat it. I wish we could take it home and eat it.
I agree.
Oh man, that was so good. Great job, Kings Themimg. Y'all come out here and experience the all-new Rapterra.
You've reached the station. Your vehicle
Kings Themimg, Daweswell, Virginia. Let's go. Great ride.
That was fun.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, today we're at Kings Themimg, opening up Rapterra. We have Cal, the PR manager for Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
Yes.
He's up here helping his colleagues and his co-workers in Virginia to open up Rapterra. How beautiful is that?
I mean, how could you not? This is an incredible space, and the theming. I mean, look at that. Look at that. You know, Six Flags Fiesta Texas does it right, and so does Kings Themimg.
Absolutely, absolutely. Hey, we want to thank the Six Flags team for everything,
Yes.
everything that y'all do. So
Of course. Appreciate you.
just keep.
Yeah. Yo, I'm not even going to lie. Rapterra gave me everything that I needed. It was fast. It was smooth. I love the inversions, the launch. I can't tell which one is better, if it's going to be this one or Thunderbird over in Holiday World, but you be the judge, and make sure you stop by King's Dominion. This ride opens on March 29th, celebrating the 50th anniversary. Thank you so much, King's Dominion, for the invite, and we will see you soon.